Members of the press, Amul. One is we are launching the second book of the Amul series. We are in here. Somewhere in this book is Vicky Dona. Irfan by next year. Sachi, huh? We'll have the whole book. We could do a separate chapter after this. Thank you so much. So one is the launch of this book, and the second is the association between Piku and Amul. I have always been slightly skeptical about how our advertising products make their way into films. We tend to make them obvious, we tend to sort of shoot them without. But Shujit Sarkar was an ad filmmaker. He's still an ad filmmaker, but he was an ad filmmaker. And so in his hands, I think he has subtly handled the brand quite beautifully. Thank you. I would like us to see, apart from the association in the film, we've made two commercials separately that shows the in-film association between Amul and Piku. Can we run the film, please?
आखिर वो क्या है that keeps Piku going all day? At work, in a presentation, at shopping, in the kitchen, driving, dancing, dusting, at a family do.
You should actually get into Bollywood now, I feel. You're such a fine model. I think you should. Shujit, will you cast her in a next film? I really think that.
Express real emotion with.
So this is the Amul hoarding we did. Irfan, sorry. This is getting embarrassing, man. I swear. Atal Bachchan Saab is coming. Sir, you're somewhere here. I promise. Yeah. That car that you drive now in the ads, I think somewhere went out the road. But thank you, three of us, for gracing this occasion. If we can now ask Sodhi Saab to come onto stage, please, and say a few words.
Amul is very happy to be associated with Piku, and like Amul, I think Piku is also fantastic, full of fun, and would be liked by everybody. And second occasion is we are happy that we are going to release the new edition of Amul book. And you all know last 50 years how this always young Amul girl is commenting on everything, anything happening. She spares none and she's scared of none. And fortunately, nobody minds her sarcastic comments. And Rahul is responsible. Whenever we get something, we pass on to Rahul. So we feel privileged for all of you coming here and gracing this occasion. Thank you very much.
Will you three say a few words, please? Yes? Want me to say something? I'm not eligible. Is this me? This?
Yeah, that's the one.
Oh, I can't see my. I'm very well disguised myself. Anyway, I know it's a strange kind of. It has a strange kind of prestige and exhilaration when you see yourself, picked up by Amul thing. I know Makbul was picked up by that, and Pansing was picked up by that, and something, suddenly you start talking, "Arey Amul mein aa gaya, Amul." So I don't know what is this yardstick, but and I try to be transparent, but I never knew that I'll be so transparent that I won't be seen. So I need to come back, to reality. Anyway, thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
admit that I do feel a small sense of achievement right now that I've made it to the book. Um, I think in the last 2 years, I've probably made it to the Amul ad about 6 or 7 times. Maybe one or two slightly controversial ones, but largely about the films. So thank you so much for that. Like I said, I think it's a brand we've all grown up idolizing in a sense. It's definitely one of India's most iconic brands, and I'm ecstatic about this association. And thank you so much for making Piku so special.
Um, Good afternoon and thank you, Amul. And let me tell you that the credit for this whole socially relevant campaign, I think Rahul deserves an applause and also an Amul. मैं only एक ही छोटी सी बात बोलूँगा कि Piku is associated Amul and Piku and our baseline is motion से ही emotion. I don't know आप लोगों को कितना motion का problem है, लेकिन let me tell you one thing. One Amul ice cream in the night and next morning you see how your motion is. I'm telling you. Thank you so much for coming here.
Call is a bowl ice cream. Now, folks, we shall launch this historic book with this historic cast, with this historic film.
Sneha, she's also producer of our film from Sony.
Hello. There's only one director, okay? Thank you guys, thank you. Okay, everybody. All. Hari Bhaiya, this is. Thank you, thank you. Deepika, Irfan, Shujit, full team, the Piku team, guys. Best of luck for tomorrow. I have no doubt. Bachchan Saab is not here, but we'll all be there cheering. Okay, guys. Best of luck. Best of luck.
Please, left sir.
अरे सुनो नहीं दोगे सवाल एक मिनट
Everyone
silence.
correct.
Silence.
No, Amul is always known for its creative ads. How do you think the movie will really benefit, now that you guys are in the of Amul?
I think more than just from a creative point, I think it's what Amul stands for and what Piku stands for. And I think in that sense, the mood, the essence, the flavor, I think all of that is where we found a match. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think Amul, what I've noticed as a brand, has always been one of those that's very, very rooted, very traditional, very,
Yes.
very Indian, but at the same time progressive.
Yes, I think it's it's a family brand, it's a family pack,
Yeah.
and this is a family film. So I think that there can't be any better association than Amul. I think.
Irfan, any thoughts on the association?
Correct. जो बोला will be perfect.
Do you also think it's kind of the measure for how popular you are because they pick up subjects like
Where have you been?
So do you think it also is kind of the measure for how popular your film is? Because they pick up subjects that are trending and things like that. It's kind of also the great impetus, isn't it?
No, and I think also for us, it makes it even more special because I don't think they've done an in-film sort of association before, and I think that itself says a lot about the film that we have to offer. And like he said, I think the qualities that they stand for as a brand, I think they found that match, which is why they went ahead with this association. And I think it's not one of those forced ones. It's really very, very organic. It just flows into what the film is trying to say.
Right. So you are missing Mr. Bachchan. We were really hoping to get to see the whole cast live together, but that kind of didn't cover happening.
Yeah, I think he'll catch you soon. I think. Don't worry. Maybe in a day or two he'll match you. All meet you soon.
Right. There's a question for the three of you. Everybody's speaking about the Salman verdict. As a part of the industry, any comments that you guys have? Anything Sujit
It's not
started
as an individual. I would like to just say when you talk
Without
about
getting
something
into
like
legalities.
that, what is your viewpoint when you have to
I cannot give my viewpoint right now because it's too sensitive. Anything can be blown out of proportion, and I feel for everybody. people who have been who suffered, and you know the way people are suffering. I feel, but I cannot give any comment right now. It's not a.
Sure, but what about the justice
I
side?
can't because it's in court. Subject is in court, and we cannot do that.
And as a part,
industry, how do you
and also knowing Salman, being there for him.
I'll talk to you about Salman later. Once you know, let it settle down. Yeah.
On what?
On this the whole verdict that came out yesterday, and of course the interim bail being given to him.
It's very difficult because I was not in the court and I have not heard anybody. I don't know who is for and what kind of arguments has been given. So it's very difficult to give it and tell you what my point of views are, because I think the point of views lies with the court of law.
But Sujit, two of his films are in a...
No, don't hang on a second. I am requesting you कि don't ask about this, because you know that this is in the court of law and we cannot talk about it. We don't know any arguments about it. No, there is nothing apart from legalities.
There's money riding on him right now. So,
I'll tell you all, sorry,
Even-
requesting you all to please keep the questions related to PICU and the associations and as
I am as much a citizen of India as you are a citizen of India, and I think we will have to go by what our land of law decides, right?
Since the judgment day for you guys, the film is really in your back. When you it's a family film, and you already said that how much it is with such a big budget when you have such actors. Has this expectations now?
Who told you it's a big budget film?
I mean, no, it's a big film.
It's a big film.
Stars. I'm sure they have.
Yeah.
So in that way, I mean, aren't you like?
Did you do the research on this budget? How much?
I have no idea. Please tell us the budget as well. That's a great question.
Why did you research it? Why did
I didn't ask the budget. I said it's a big film.
अच्छा तेरा सवाल क्या है? What are you asking?
सवाल ये है कि now are you feeling confident? Are you feeling slightly skeptical that now that the judgment day for the film Friday is coming out?
See, me as a director, no, I am not nervous, because I would have been nervous when I was starting the film, but now it's gone. Now it's not in my hand, and I think whatever the people's verdict is, till now, whatever shows we had, the response from the industry has been quite positive, and that gives us a confidence. And let's see what happens tomorrow.
Sujit, any plans to have a sequel? Ranveer Singh has tweeted a very interesting tweet. He has said that your PICU performance is like best of your career so far, and he's not being biased about it. What do you have to say about that?
I think I take it in the same way as 100 other people have tweeted it. So you should ask me about those also.
Sujit, any plans to make PICU a series and to have a sequel also?
Yeah, we are making it into a television series. About 8-9 sequels we are planning. Now, यार अभी फिल्म रिलीज नहीं हुआ मेरे पास
बजट भी बोल दो सर.
मैं कैसे अगर मुझे सीक्वल बनाना होता तो मैं विकी डोनर का बनाता पहले, है कि नहीं? अभी नहीं सोचा है, कोई आइडिया आएगा, लेकिन सबसे पहले आई विल अनाउंस कि नो आई हैव गॉट एन आइडिया फॉर 2. कितने काफी कितना थिएटर स्क्रीन ये मुझे आइडिया नहीं है, ये
इसी बना
मंदिर गए थे आज, आप PICU के लिए गए, सिद्धिविनायक मंदिर.
Thank you.
इसी से बन जाएगी स्टोरी.